L7, which, funny story about how the L7 was developed, but it all started with Steve wanting to make a square subwoofer because it has more surface area and more output. But you might know the story better than I do about how this was all designed, right? I know that we spent a lot of time on the corners when we were developing them because we weren't sure how many ribs to have. We weren't sure if they wanted to be dimpled or, sticking out from the surround like that. But we have a prototype version of the L7 in the museum, and they've got 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. They have different numbers of ribs on each one of the corners. And it's interesting to see that they were literally just trial and error, experimenting with the subwoofer to see what worked best and what prevented tearing as that subwoofer was moving. But yeah, this is our until we had the L7X come out, this was our highest output subwoofer. Handled 750 watts RMS on the 12, ton of power handling, ton of output, works great in a big ported box, and they're highly, highly efficient subwoofers. So for somebody who just wants a ton of bass, you get the L7.
L7Q, side note, L7Q is still available at some of our retail partners. It's not on our website because we don't have any more, so once they're gone, they're gone. So if you are looking for the most powerful non-Solo X square woofer, that would be the the
41 L7.
41 L7. Yeah, that's the Q series. So that actually is a step up from the L7S. If you can find them, grab them.
We were, thinking, well, we got to have something to break into that market again. We had the old Solo X, but we don't make them anymore. We don't have any recone kits for them. We need something new. So we designed this from the ground up, and it is the biggest, baddest subwoofer that we make. And that's going to be for the guy that just wants as much bass as possible, is not concerned with how much power he's taken, or maybe he is because he's already got his 2 300 amp alternators and he doesn't want to add anything else, But yeah, that's what these guys are. They're just for those absolute crazy bass heads that want a ton of bass, and they sound really good too. I've built a couple of boxes with them in the past, and they sound really great.